So today we are going to prepare this yummy, delicious and healthy plantain frittata. It's in form of omelette. This is the outcome of the plantain frittata. It's healthy and good for everybody, even for adults and children. It's also an easy recipe, very easy to prepare. Just within 5 minutes, you're good to go. So this is it. This is me having a taste of it. Very healthy and the taste is so nice. It tastes so good. This is the back of it. To prepare this plantain frittata or omelette, I'll be using 2 ripe plantain. It has already been washed. I'll now slice it this way, just small round shape like this, and set aside. Already preheated my oil. This is me putting the sliced plantain inside the oil, and I will spread it out so that it will not cuddle with each other. And from time to time I will check it. That is what I'm doing now. In this case, you're not supposed to fry it till it turns so brown. Just fry it moderate and remove it. Once it start turning like this, brown like this, you can now remove it. Inside a dry clean frying pan, I'll add my vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. I'll spread it out and add my sliced onion. I'll turn it, then add my sliced red bell pepper, then green bell pepper, then my curry, thyme, then I'll stir them very well, then add my seasoning cube and stir everything together. Then mix the egg, kind of mixing, and set aside. Then spread out the ingredients inside the frying pan and add the egg. At this point, I've off the lights. There is no fire inside the gas again. I'm now adding the plantain, the fried plantain, adding it one, spreading it so that they will not be together, they will look fine. I'll add it like this, one like this. I'll add it like this. Then next thing to add is where there is opening is sliced a fresh tomato. That is what I'm adding now. I'll add it. Then next thing to add is my parsley. This parsley will give it a great taste as well, and the green color will also look fine on the plantain frittata. Next thing is to put it inside the oven to bake for between 5 to 10 minutes. But if you don't have an oven, you can lower your heat and cover it to cook. This is it. It has come out from the oven here. This is it, looking yummy and ready to be devoured. I will now use pizza cutter to cut it, to give it a shape, and then serve. Please support me by liking this video and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and share to others to also watch. To my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. See, it's looking yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.